Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Welcome to episode 7 of Experimental Filmmaking Tips. So as you can see, I'm going back and forth here with colored pens and doing some film painting right on the acetate. And if you're just getting started on this and watching my videos as well, once you've removed the viewable image from the film, the clear part of the film is known as the acetate. The viewable image that you remove is known as the emulsion. Alright? If you need to want to know the techniques of it, the technicals, that is what that is. Using colored pens, going up around here. I'm going to keep marking this on my titles. This is a great differential, and it looks really beautiful when it's running through the projector. You get it scanned, whatever you want to do, and the projector and the scanned image is really going to be enhanced. Once in a while, when you're going through this, your pens are going to catch up on the other things like the glitter and other stuff I have on here, so you're going to need to have a piece of paper like up here to start your pens over. Alright, and then just keep going down, and you'll need to fill in every little block if that's what you want to do. I use also, hold it up to the sunlight, a jeweler's loupe, and I can hold it up there and really get a beautiful viewable image of what it's going to look like. When I hold this up, it looks just totally surreal and amazing, and this is very entertaining in between your titles, the movie itself, or if you want to make a whole film of just this, or just the colors. Let's keep going. A tip here, or at least another one, is when I get down to my last pen on the table, as you can see back behind here, I don't have the pens. You can do this visually by the color here on the acetate, or you can simply, what I do, down to my last pen, back behind the glass here, I just simply rotate everything. That way I know for sure I'm starting all over, obviously, because my focus is primarily on coloring the acetate, and my attention is locked off of everything else that's going on. I also take this, another tip, and I turn it, and then by doing so I can get different strokes from the pen, the brush, the crayon in there. Alright, you may or may not be able to see it too well here, but I am getting, with everything I've put on the acetate so far, these surreal and beautiful icy like colored visuals, explosions of ice and color all the way through here. It's really, really something when I look through it with my jeweler's loupe. Do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and remember, do subscribe. Until next time, see ya.